Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another OG classic for your head top. So, without further ado, guys, let us get right into this video. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Please subscribe if you are new around here, and don't forget to put those post notification bell so you don't miss another one of these slappers. Alrighty, guys, so getting right to the box, we do have the original style of the Air Jordan 12 box right here. The OG Nike symbol right there with the cardboard box feel. You get engineered and built to the exact specification of championship athletes from around the world. Right there, going on the box right here. Size tag and label reads Air Jordan 12 Retro White, Black, and Varsity Red. Size 11.5, which, you know, Air Jordan 12s do run big because I do have a size 12 of the playoffs. I got an 11.5 in this, and it fits just right. So, you know, just a quick little sizing tip if you guys are interested in the Air Jordan 12s and how they fit. But here's the tag right here for you guys, right there, so you can read it. Right there. And then as you open up the box, guys, you're going to get greeted with the OG Manila style paper. And once you peel it back, what do we got? What do we got? Air Jordan 12 Cherries. So, guys, yes, we do have the true OG back in the Air Jordan lineup. We got the Air Jordan 12 Retro Cherries right here. So, guys, going over this shoe, first off, the leather quality of this white leather right here, much better than the Air Jordan 12s that came out last year, the playoffs, okay? So, the white leather is better than the black leather that came on the Air Jordan 12 playoffs last year. So, just a little side note if you guys are interested. Also, while we have them right here, let me know what you actually prefer. What do you like better? Do you like the playoffs or do you like the cherries right here? Personally, I think both are a must-cop in a collection, and you honestly can't go wrong with both. The playoffs are amazing, and also these things go a fire on feet. Alright, guys, so let's get into this review right here, okay? So, the OG is back, and we have, like I said, that nice, soft, tumbled white leather right here. Really nice quality leather. As you can tell on the toe box, you do get a nice little softer toe box. As you can tell by the old press test right here. Nice quality that they gave us, honestly, this year for the Air Jordan 12s. They do fit, like I said, a little bit big, the Air Jordan 12, so I went with 11.5, tried them on, they fit perfect. So going down the toe box right here, you're going to come up to the tongue. Now on Air Jordan 12s, you're going to get the Jumpman right here. And you're also going to get the 3 going down the tongue right there. That is a staple of the Air Jordan 12. Going over to the inside mudguard right here, you're going to get the red cherry leather with that reptilian style leather right there. Obviously, it's not reptile leather or anything like that. It's just like a faux reptile texture, like that snake texture that you got on the red mudguard right here, which I think looks amazing. Going to the back of the heel, you're going to get the Jordan with the quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You're also going to get a red Jumpman. Heels counter is going to be in that nice cherry translucent red with the white 23 right on the back right there. Really looking really nice. Now, when you get to the eye stays up on the top right here where the laces go through. Now, these are not metal. They are supposed to be metal, you know, from the originals, but they are not metal. They are made out of this silver plastic. However, it does look nice. Does look like metal, so you got to give it to Jordan for that. At least it does look like metal. It does not look very cheap. Now, going to the outsole, you're going to get the black Jumpman that does creep up the toe right there. You're also going to get the white 23 right here. Black traction pods, and also that translucent red outsole, which looks amazing. And you're also going to get the white and black carbon fiber right there. The old carbon fiber shank plate that you do get in the Air Jordan 12. You are also going to get a polyurethane insole on these things. It's going to be a black insole with the red Air Jordan Jumpman on the inside right there. And with all Air Jordan 12s, you're also going to get a nice size tag and a label right on the back of the tongue right there. Now, honestly, guys, this is going to be, this was just a quick, nice little review for you guys of the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. I know there's a million reviews out already. I did get my pair a little bit late, so I did make a nice quick short on the video, but I haven't been able to get around to a full review. So here it is. Like I said, we are a smaller channel, so I cannot get these early pairs and spend crazy money like some of these other crazy channels are that have, thousands or millions of subscribers. I'm not at that level yet, so you're going to have to bear with me on the channel. Know that these reviews will come out weekly, all right? That is a promise from me. You are going to get the review. However, it might be a little bit later. So if you don't mind, maybe skip a couple of those bigger channel reviews and come over to my channel to watch the reviews. Like I said, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you guys are leaving that nice like rating. Smash that thumbs up, because we just passed 800 subscribers, guys. That's a big deal. I can already see that by next year, I'm hoping to have 5,000 subscribers, guys. So I'm really going to push the content. A ton of shorts, a ton of full-length reviews. Also, all information, guys. So make sure you guys are staying up to date with the channel, because if there's any shock drops or any other release information, I usually always post that content in short form. So in order to not miss any one of those videos, please hit the post notification bell. Like I said, you want to stay in tune to all the latest sneaker content. So with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dylan. Me and the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, we're out. Peace.